Welcome to the installation video of the CURT 12343 Class 2 trailer hitch on a 2010 Toyota Camry. To begin, we will be lowering the exhaust. Support the exhaust system with a ratchet strap or a wire hanger to prevent damage to the exhaust system. To lower the exhaust system, remove the 3 bolts on the rearmost bracket. Also remove the 2 rubber isolators holding the exhaust in place. We recommend using a spray lubricant or a soapy water mixture with a pry bar to ease the removal process. If present, remove the plastic fascia located under the trunk pan and passenger side frame rail. To trim the fascia piece, refer to the diagram in the included instruction sheet. On this vehicle, there was no plastic fascia present. Remove the driver and passenger side toe brackets if present. To do this, remove the 3 bolts holding the brackets in place. Raise the hitch into position. Fasten the hitch to the frame with the included hex bolts and washers. Reinstall the exhaust and remove the exhaust support. Torque all hardware to the exact value specified in the supplied instruction sheet. This completes the installation of the CURT 12343 Class 2 trailer hitch on a 2010 Toyota Camry. Check out all the CURT ball mount options and install the vehicle-specific trailer wiring harness for your ride. Thanks for watching this video. Now you can bring it.